Sending and receiving text messages from a computer is convenient for multitasking and managing conversation. So here is the several methods to achieve this depending on a device and platform. So let's get started. Firstly, open any web browser, then search for the WhatsApp web. You can open the web version of the messaging app like WhatsApp and log in using your account credentials or scan a QR code for WhatsApp, and you can simply text the messages using the web. You cannot call using the WhatsApp web, but you can simply send the messages and receive it. Now the other one is Telegram. You can simply go to the Telegram website, then navigate to the Telegram, login Telegram web. Once there, you can again see the QR code option available there. You can log in using your account credential or simply scan a QR code for Telegram as well. Then once done, you will be logged into the Telegram. You can also use other web version of the messaging app like Facebook. You can log into the Facebook and easily send and receive the Facebook text in your computer. Now, if you are using the Mac, then there is other way to send and receive the text as well. On your Mac, you can see message option available there. You can simply turn on the iMessage and open the messages app on your Mac, and you can now send and receive text including SMS and iMessages. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.